Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be reviewing the SHP adjustable height bar stool. This reception desk chair comes in a sleek black and white design, perfect for any modern kitchen or breakfast nook. Any of the best features of this chair is its adjustable height and 360-degree swivel, making it versatile for any setting. Whether you need a comfortable office chair, a stylish addition to your bedroom, or a convenient seat for your kitchen, this stool has got you covered. Not only is the SHP stool easy to assemble, but it also boasts a comfortable seat cushion and a supportive backrest. No more back or neck pain, even after hours of sitting. The disc base and polished aluminum construction ensure stability and durability, making this chair suitable for both private and commercial use. With its compact size and available in 5 different colors, this stool will leave a valuable impression in any space. So for those looking for a simple, mobile, and ergonomic seating solution, look no further than the SHP adjustable height bar stool. Don't forget to check the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing stool today. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more great reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.